Hey, Cletus, why don't you talk to me about your bike? It's pretty goddamn, don't you think?
I got some tricked out stuff on it today.
Yeah, I popped a few foot jabs and stuff. It's pretty damn good. They bike. As you see here, I like riding with the wide bars, 29.5. They're pretty damn good. They're good for throwing bar spins, but I can't throw bar spins.
Hey guys, as you can tell, my name's Cletus. We're riding with the BSD raster seat. It smells pretty good. It smells like the inside of my mama's purse. We got the E-slap pedal with the bird poo. we got ourselves a
Salt minus.
Yeah, we got salt minus hubs.
Some standard Wheel People forks.
Yeah, standard, but we got a sweet
Very
job on them. We got help me out here.
Anyway, onto my bike. I would like to explain why it's called, but I can't understand the fancy British language that people speak. I only speak Hillbilly. But it's a nice color, don't you think?
He said cunt.
Hi, I'm Cletus.
And I'm Willie Wingson III, and this is our bike check. So today we're going to start off with my bike. We got the 28.5 Amity bars. Yeah, they're pretty sweet. They're in a chrome color, but they're nice for throwing bar spins. They're so sweet. We got the E-slap pedals with the bird poo graphics on them. We got the salt minus hubs. Yeah, they're all right, but the spokes come loose sometimes. But as hillbillies, we make do with what we've got. We have the premium tires because they're nice and fat like my mama. They're I shouldn't have said that. Oh shit! No, I can't say that.